Hi guys!
Good evening! This is Manima.
And this is Arella. For today's kwentuhan, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Okay. See how. What if you could make a rule at home? What rules would you make? Okay, 3 rules lang ha.
3.
The number 1.
Eating cotton candy.
Syempre, may rules ka dapat sa home. Diba? For example, ikaw ang mayor sa home or ikaw ang masusunod. You will make 3 rules. Oh, what is the first?
Watching cellphone for 10 minutes. 10 minutes lang.
Okay. So, your rule number 1 is we will only use cell phone only for 10 minutes in a day.
Yeah.
Wow, para namang hindi tama yun.
Tama yan.
10 minutes. Isipin mo for example, kailangan mong gumawa ng homework at kailangan mo ng cellphone because you need to use the Google.
Kung map.
Basta may kailangan kang search.
10 minutes. 10 minutes. E di, pag 9 minutes, nasa-search ka lang. Yun, tapos na.
Yun lang. Ang higpit naman ni Irela. Diyos ko, buti na lang. Hindi ako.
Kasali ka doon.
Oo nga. Okay. Dito ka doon.
Yeah, kasali ka doon.
What else? Second rule. Rule number 2.
No driving cars. No driving cars, only Grab.
Ha?
No driving cars. No driving cars.
Why? Bakit naman mag-drive ng car?
Because it makes more traffic and I will get angry. What if I go to work?
Wow, parang hindi naman tama yon.
That's right.
Bumili ka ng car, tapos hindi mo gagamitin.
Alam ko na. Rule number 2.
Sige, hindi tama yun.
Rule number 2.
At home lang.
Rule number 2 is...
Ang dami, Rela. Yung mga ginagawa natin na regular duties natin dito sa bahay. Ano yun at gawin mong rule. Wala siyang
Wait lang, iniisip ka. Kung iniisip na ako, pero ayoko.
That's your rule.
Give me time. Give me time.
Huwag ka masyadong magulo. Ano?
Finish your baon, even you're in work. Finish your baon.
Sige, okay. Tama naman.
I don't even
Kung halimbawa, ang kids nagbabaon ng food sa school at syempre ang parents naman or ang mga ate, kuya kung nagbabaon sa work or school, kailangan yung baon mong food ubos dapat, walang matitira.
Pero me,
Rule ko sa kanya
it's okay because I'm the mayor.
Pwede rin naman syempre para walang waste na food.
Okay. Rule number 3 is
Rule number 3.
don't go outside. Pag prom, pwede. Pero pag school days, pwede. Pero pag friends, hangout, bawal.
Ay, ang higpit naman ng Ate Irela. Okay. No hanging out with friends. Kahit umaga.
Yeah.
Dapat sa umaga, okay. Sa gabi lang, bawal.
Hindi. Kahit nga. Cellphone na lang. Cellphone for 10 minutes. Calling for 10 minutes lang.
Ang higpit naman netong...
The smart rule is only chat, only, di ba, the call? You know how many minutes is the call? 5
If you will call your friends...
5 minutes lang.
Okay, you can just talk to them for 5 minutes. Okay lang. Mahigpit naman ito. No hanging out with friends pala. Bawal. Okay lang. Wala naman tayo magagawa.
Ako pwede. Kasi ako pwede kasi ako yung mayor.
Okay. Someone's calling me, ask why. Well, anyway, yan ang mga rules ni Rel. Ang higpit pala niya.
Okay, starting now.
Thank you for watching. Bye, God bless.